Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about a miracle product. If there is any such thing, guys, this is it. So if you watched my previous video, you know I spoke about this ingredient, this magic miracle ingredient called Centella asiatica. It is also called the tiger grass. This particular grass grows in hot humid countries like Sri Lanka, India, and a lot of other countries like this, and tigers were found to be laying down on this grass when they were wounded. So it's actually used by tigers in the nature to heal their wound. Now, keeping our beautiful tigers aside, this particular plant and this particular ingredient called Centella asiatica, or Saika in short, has been used in Chinese medicine from the 17th century, guys. This is a potent, powerful herb that can literally heal your skin. So, if you have acne, if you have psoriasis, eczema, irritated skin, dry skin, itchy skin, you have sunburn, anti-aging is your concern, you have dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, this particular ingredient is what you need to be looking for. Now you must be thinking, okay, cool enough about the ingredient, now which product has this? So I'm going to be talking about this particular range from this brand called PURITO. This is the Centella Green Level Buffay Serum, and this is the Centella Green Level Recovery Cream. A couple of videos ago I had spoken about 12 ingredients you might want to stay away from. If you missed that video, guys, you can click right here. So these two products, before I even say what they contain, I want to say what they do not contain. So I'm going to pull up their website right here. So they don't have ethanol, which means no alcohol, no paraben, no PEG, no silicone, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil. This is pregnancy safe, it is cruelty free, no animal testing, and it's 100% vegan. Guys, all the information is there on their website, so check that out. Now let's talk about the Buffay Serum. If you have oily skin and what you like is something light, you can use this serum just on its own, or you can include this serum in your skincare routine. Now the magic ingredient in this is obviously Centella asiatica. It has 49% of Saika in this. This is the healing miracle tiger grass that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. And apart from that, this also has 4 different peptides, which is amazing for anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, and this also contains acetic acid, which is amazing to help heal acne and any pimple problem or anything that causes irritation in your skin. This is what it comes in, guys, and this particular brand and this line is raved by all of my favorite skincare bloggers, and I'm so happy to have tried this, guys, because this is an amazing product. As you can see, it's very light and it just spreads into your skin so easily. You can use it every single day, morning and evening. It's not one of those that you can only use at night or only use in the morning. There is very few, if at all, any restrictions while you use this serum. You know, it's amazing. Now let's move on to the cream. Now this is a slightly thicker cream. If you have dry skin, you can use this as your cream all over your face, or if you have normal skin and you need a thicker cream during winter months, because during winter months our skin gets drier, this is what you can use. When you have razor bumps, if you have mosquito bites, if you have any sorts of allergy, you can use this as a recovery cream. My dad had some sort of an allergy and his skin was peeling all over his hands, guys. I made him apply this for 2 days and his hands are baby soft right now. A friend of mine had contact dermatitis and she had this rash all over her eyelid. It was peeling, it was itching. I made her apply this just twice and she felt better already, just twice. If you feel like your skin is dry and oily at the same time, your skin barrier has been compromised, your skin is not healthy anymore. When you use a product like this, your skin is going to heal. Now this contains 50% Saika. This also contains the medicacic acid and acetic acid, and it contains 2% niacinamide. Niacinamide is also an amazing ingredient to heal your skin and also get rid of acne scars, brighten your skin, and also kind of give you the effect of a tightened pore. It's overall an amazing ingredient to give you really poreless porcelain kind of skin. And if you buy this cream, you will see that the very last ingredient that they have mentioned over here is whitening and anti-wrinkle approved by KFDA. Now whatever is there in this product is not enough to bleach your skin. There is absolutely nothing harmful in your skin. By whitening, what they mean is getting rid of blemishes or dark spots. In this product, at least, there is nothing that will bleach your skin, okay? If there was, guys, you know I wouldn't be talking about this. So this is basically a recovery cream, not a whitening cream, but it will also get rid of acne marks and blemishes and dark spots and hyperpigmentation. This will get rid of it, but you have to be consistent with it. Now, where you can get it, I will leave the links of it down below. You'll have to buy it online on the PURITO website, but I'll leave the links down below. And you guys, PURITO was kind enough to sponsor a giveaway with this video. PURITO is gonna give 3 of you lucky winners this set right here. And for better chances of winning, so that I see you, you know that I'm more active on Instagram, follow me on Instagram and comment down below my latest photo and say I'm here for PURITO. Just get to the point, right? I also want to show you the consistency of this. It comes in a very thick form, but it doesn't leave, as you can see, it's thick but light at the same time. You know, it doesn't leave a very greasy, pore clogging film on your skin. It does absorb into your skin, but it's slightly more thicker. Smells good, you know, smells like grass. But good grass. There you go. You can see that my hand just looks moisturized as opposed to this one. Not oily, not greasy at all. It makes me feel so good when brands I love and respect come forward and sponsor my channel and help me make these videos for you. So I appreciate them for that. And these are their flagship products, guys. They also have a Centella sunscreen, which I haven't tried, but I'm dying to try it. So the next product that I will be trying from this line for sure is the sunscreen. Definitely try this out, and 1 month later come back to this video and let me know how you liked it. By the way, if you like this makeup, guys, you know it's on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you very, very much, and I shall see you in my next one.